This is mod 2 for the wide leg QL stretch. Come to sit in a V position with your legs, opening those legs to your range of motion. Make sure there's no pulling into the upper part of the groin. And then just keeping a micro bend into the knees, protecting the hamstrings. From here, reach your arms out shoulder height. Stabilize through the shoulder girdle first by drawing the shoulders down and back. And then flip the palms up towards the ceiling. Draw your belly in and now rotate on the axis of the spine. So start to twist towards the left. From here, bring your right elbow and your forearm in line with each other and place your fingertips of the left hand behind your left ear. Now take a breath, breathe in, and then as you exhale, think of lifting your chest up towards the ceiling as you anchor that left hip bone down into the floor. The stretch here is in through to the back of the legs and into that QL, which means quadratus lumborum, that muscle that surrounds your lower back. Breathe into the chest, inhale. Exhale, draw your belly button into the lower back to find even more rotation into the upper part of the spine. To come out, squeeze the belly in, protect the lower back, come back up through neutral, release the arms. Take a breath, breathe in, let all of that go, and make sure you do the second side.